fire, put it out with water.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we have the cutest wig ever. This is actually giving me water wave, wet and wavy. It's also giving me Italian curly. This texture is absolutely gorgeous. Stick around to find out where this wig is from and find out all the details about today's install.
But now you're drowning.
Today's hair sponsor is Tinashe Hair. I've worked with them so many times on my channel. You can literally put these wigs on and go. Like, it's literally effortless. You don't need any talent, you don't need any experience to wear this wig because it comes ready to wear. Today what I have installed is a 22-inch 5x6 loose deep pre-plucked, pre-styled, glueless, breathable cap wig.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me.
It's been a while since I've done a loose deep wave, so I did bleach the knots on this because the knots were looking a little big on this wig. Now it's in its natural curl state.
I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah, cause you can't even hold your own.
Wow, that's pretty. So you could leave the lace like that, but I think I'm gonna remove some of it because this is too much. Sometimes these lace wigs have too much lace. It's like, it's glueless, but it's like unnecessary. I think they put it like that so you can customize it for yourself, but the lace is melting nicely into my skin, so I do like that. It is definitely giving me HD. Basically, this is what a ready-to-wear wig is. You can put it on and you can just go. See, let's play around with the part.
You're gonna have to call your friends, tell them that you're gonna be late.
So I'm wearing it really off to the side. I don't normally do that, but trying something different. And the good thing with it like being glueless, you can change your mind. So if you don't want it off to the side,
I'm gonna need you to explain.
so I'm gonna talk throughout this install. So once we're done, we can actually just close off the video. But the hair does feel really soft on this wig, so I do like that. Doesn't need baby hairs, but I'm thinking because I'm doing this side, maybe put some right here.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for
Do baby hairs throughout here as well.
let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it.
This is a very deep part for me. It's cute though. Next thing we're going to do is clean up the part because I did bleach the knots on this wig. They were huge. I'm lying, they weren't huge, but because it's been a while since I've had knots on the larger side, when I saw them I was like, child, we need to bleach them. So that's what we did. Okay, and I'm gonna seal that in with cheap hairspray just to like darken that line because it's a little too bright. Let your hair get in the way. And I just want to leave it in this natural texture. I don't really want to put any products in the hair with my fingers, just like that.
Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard.
This is a very pretty curl texture. Okay, I'm gonna trim just ever so slightly.
But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
This looks like the classic wet and wavy texture. It is gorgeous, like wow. And it feels so soft. Like it doesn't look like it's trying too hard to be anything that it's not. So pretty. Ooh, that's it, that's all, look at that. Turn her to the side, you would think it's giving frontal.
Precious cargo, be careful with my sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me.
I think a lot of people like the wet and wavy texture, and companies should bring that texture back because this is what it's giving me, and it is so pretty. It just looks so natural. Like, it actually looks like this could be my hair in a different universe. Oh, I think it's so cute. And of course it is glueless, right? So we can just take her off and put her on. Like, wow, bomb.com. Even with the baby hair, it's cute. It's cute, it's different. What do you guys think? There. And the density isn't too thin, it's not too thick. For hot summer days, like, this is the perfect wig because you can literally wear it glueless, and you can, you know, you're not gonna die of heat because a lot of curly wigs have like a lot of hair and it's like dry hair. This hair is very soft, so it just feels like very airy, like the wind's gonna blow through it and it's gonna just be very comfortable to wear. I would definitely recommend bleaching the knots on this wig because it does make a huge difference. As you can see up close, it really does look very clean and scalp-like. Before, it wasn't giving that for me. Anywho, I love Tinashe Hair. I definitely recommend you guys checking out Tinashe Hair if you haven't done so already. And before you go, don't forget to thumbs up this video. It really does go a long way. And leave me your thoughts on today's install. What do you think about the deep side part? Like, extra deep. Let me know. Does it suit me? If not, I'm gonna go back to like classic middle part. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.